In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your hourly rate in Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. Hubstaff is an amazing tool for both employers and employees, making it easier than ever to track your work hours, productivity, and importantly, your payment details. Now let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Hubstaff to find their official website. You can also directly enter the website URL if you have it memorized. Either of these methods will take you to the Hubstaff login page. Once you're on the Hubstaff website, it's time to sign into your account. Take a moment to enter your login credentials, which usually consist of your email and password. If it's been a while since you last logged in, make sure you take your time entering these details accurately to avoid any frustration or confusion. In case you have forgotten your password, most platforms, including Hubstaff, have a Forgot Password option for easy recovery. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Hubstaff's main dashboard. This is the central hub for accessing a variety of features like activity tracking and project management. For our task today, we're focusing on the payment details, so let's move forward. The next step is to locate the Payment Accounts section. This might be in the menu on the left-hand side or along the top of your dashboard, depending on your user interface layout. Hubstaff often updates its layout, but generally, you should look for options related to payments, billing, or accounts. This section is where you'll find details about your compensation, including your hourly rate if it has been set up. Now, once you've navigated to the Payment Accounts section, you should see your hourly rate displayed there. Bear in mind that your hourly rate will only appear if it has been configured by your organization. If it's visible, you can verify that the information is correct and up to date. It's a good idea to check this regularly to ensure it aligns with what you expect to be paid. If for some reason you do not see your hourly rate, or if you believe the rate displayed is incorrect, reaching out to your manager or HR department would be the next step. They can provide the clarification and updates needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check your hourly rate using Hubstaff. Keeping track of your payment details is a crucial part of maintaining your financial well-being. And with today's guide, you can easily stay informed about your earnings. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and tutorials.